Kia ora and welcome to the Future of Manufacturing in Aotearoa, where we showcase how Industry 4.0 technologies can help you minimise waste, save time, money and become a more sustainable manufacturing process. Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution. It's the integration of digital tech into manufacturing businesses, using tools like automation, AI, the Internet of Things and data to improve the way we work. This new wave of technology isn't just about making things more efficiently, it's about making them safely and sustainably too. First, let's define what we mean by waste in the context of lean manufacturing. Waste refers to any activity that doesn't add value to the final product. For example, overproduction, making more products than needed, which can lead to storage and maintenance costs. Waiting, time wasted when workers or machines are idle, waiting for a precious step to be completed. Transport, unnecessary movement of materials or products which can cause damage or delays. Overprocessing, doing more work or a higher quality work than is necessary, which uses up resources and time. Inventory, excess raw materials, work in progress or finished goods that tie up capital and space. Motion, unnecessary movements by workers such as walking or reaching for tools which can lead to inefficiency and injuries. Defects, products that don't meet quality standards and require rework or disposal. The goal of lean manufacturing is to identify and eliminate these types of waste and improve efficiency and quality. This way, companies can save money and deliver better products to their customers. And technology can help enormously. Collecting data at source and using predictive data analytics tools can improve forecasting, which can help with parts or ingredients ordering, avoid under or overproduction and reduce downtime for your machines and your people. This is often coordinated by a manufacturing execution system, MES, which gathers, analyses and displays data. They help people make decisions in real time and improve efficiency and effectiveness of the factory. Take Breadcraft as an example of a business using these tools in its daily operations. With vision cameras and sensors for real-time monitoring, they quality control their tortilla production line, ensuring only perfect tortillas pass. This eliminates human error and provides consistent product quality. The data they pull from these tools gives them critical insights for optimizing operations, enabling continuous adjustments. The result? Less waste, more efficiency and a friendly nudge to their bottom line. Next, let's talk about energy efficiency. Smart sensors can help to reduce energy consumption. They can monitor a machine's energy consumption in real time. This data can point out where energy is being used inefficiently and allows the operation schedule to be adjusted. Smart sensors can also improve maintenance, for example, collecting temperature, vibration and energy consumption data, can predict equipment failures before they occur or even reduce the routine maintenance that may not actually be required. Another common challenge is inefficient transport routes, leading to increased fuel consumption and emissions. By using GPS tracking and route optimization software, manufacturers can analyse various factors like traffic patterns, fuel efficiency and delivery schedules to optimize their transportation routes. By choosing the most efficient routes, minimising empty truck miles and consolidating shipments, businesses can reduce fuel consumption, lower emissions and cut down on transportation costs. In summary, by embracing Industry 4.0 technologies, Kiwi manufacturers can minimise waste, improve efficiency and grow revenue, all while helping to build a safe and sustainable future for generations to come. Visit the EMA website for manufacturing case studies and webinars. Learn from experts and local businesses to make your business more resilient and profitable. Go to industry4.ema.co.nz.